In this video, we'll show you how to easily enable or disable the touchpad on any Lenovo laptop. So the easiest way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut. For that, you'll need to press this Fn, which is the function key, and this F10 key, which has this touchpad icon on it. So what you'll need to do is press and hold the Fn key and then press the F10 key once. Once you do, you should see this icon that indicates that the touchpad is now disabled. So if I try to use it, it won't work. Now if I press the same keyboard shortcut again, which is Fn plus F10, I'll see this icon, which means the touchpad is now enabled. There's also another way to enable or disable touchpad. For that, you'll need to head to the search menu and then type in touchpad settings. Now select the first result that appears. This will open the settings app, and here you will see this touchpad toggle. Simply enable or disable it depending on whether you want to turn on the touchpad or turn it off. Additionally, you can also use this checkbox that keeps the touchpad on even when you are using an external mouse. If you uncheck it, it will disable the touchpad as soon as you connect a mouse. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.